Hi, I am Gianfranco Monzini. I am responsible for the Process Electrification Practice. I was moderating a panel with 3 impact makers because of what they are doing in their journey of decarbonizing. Together with me, we had Mars, we had KLK, and we had H2 Green Steel. The panel discussion was around decarbonization and the role that the electrification is playing in accelerating this process. One thing where we have agreed during the panel is that electrification is not just a matter of products, but is a complex equation where you have multiple variables. And when we look through the variables, the major one are which are the technologies that today we can electrify. So there is a huge effort from the companies to understand what can be electrified and the readiness of the technologies, but also is the grid able to support me in this additional load and how stable is the grid. But then also which are the status of my electrical infrastructure and which are the upgrades that I have to make. On top of that, we have to look at the regulation and legislation that are maybe incentivizing the financial effort in doing this transformation. And overall, what's the business case to make this a positive impact for their organization, their company. And last but not least, the importance of partnership. How is important to have an early engagement? How is important to plan in advance this transformation in order to look at all the variables. So the role that we play as Schneider is extremely important and critical in order to support our customers in this journey in advance. And more than ever, it seems that we are ready to make an impact through the electrification of the process of the industries. Thank you.